poor or come from a middle-class family? Or a student who wants to study in a Schengen European country on a budget? This video is a goldmine for you. Because if you follow the instructions given in this video, I guarantee you a 100% polished study visa success. Please rest assured, I am not an agent who wants to sell you my services. I'm not even affiliated with universities or educational departments in any country. All the information and education on this channel is wholeheartedly dedicated to serious and potential people who want to move abroad for education, for job, or for any reason. I guarantee you the information you will receive would be 100% authentic and selfless. So please, my friends, before we get into the video, if this channel transfers a bit of knowledge or adds value to your life, knowledge or to your decisions, please consider subscribing. Now in this video, you will learn the complete student visa process including documents and tips, how much money you need for study in Poland, how much money you can make in Poland as international student, can we get a scholarship in Poland? Do you need an IELTS? Can you get admission in Poland with low marks or CGPA? And is Poland safe for female students? So please watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important information that can make or break your decision about Poland. Now let's jump into the video. First, let's understand why to study in Poland. Poland provides you the best quality education in world-ranked universities, with the lowest fees in Europe and even without IELTS. In addition to that, living expenses are very, very low. This is why you can live a quality life as a student, plus you can support your family back at home. Now let me allow to address all of your questions step by step. At first, how much money you can make in Poland as an international student. After talking to 13 international students in Poland, I came to know that they are making on average 1,500 euros per month. Some of the students were even making 2,500 euros per month. And all of them are doing odd jobs in different departments of restaurants. Now, is Poland safe for female students? Absolutely yes! There are many single international students practicing their religions, living and working right besides men. They are supporting their studies and families back at homes with their income as well. Now let's address some important questions about education in Poland. Let's start with IELTS. There are no requirements of IELTS or any other English proficiency test in Poland till now. But I came to know that soon they will start asking for English proficiency test from students. So grab this opportunity and apply for your student visa in Poland without IELTS. The most important one is how much money you need for a study visa in Poland. Now the budget of your student visa depends on your fees and living expenses in general. So considering this fact, one academic year in Poland costs you between 1,000 to 4,000 euros depending on your program and university, and living expenses of 400 euros per month. So confidently, I can say that if you have a minimum of 5,000 euros, you can easily get a Poland student visa. Now talking about admissions with low grades. 100%? Yes. You can secure admission with even 50% marks in public universities in Poland. And there are many opportunities for scholarships for international students. Link for scholarships process and opportunities is in the description. So don't forget to check that. Now let's talk about Poland study visa process. First, you have to fill the student visa application form, which is so simple and straightforward. Then attach the following documents: identity documents, motivational letter. Now, motivation letters are key. If you can't write a motivation letter yourself, I would recommend you to take professional help in that regard. However, it's not rocket science to build an amazing motivation letter. Passport with at least 3-year validity. Health insurance of 30,000 euros. You can buy health insurance from any local company in your country. It should not cost you more than 80 euros. Your educational documents. University or college acceptance letter. Your one-way travel ticket. Bank statement. The Polish embassy accepts bank statements only from blood relations. Could be your father, mother, brother, sisters, or yourself. Here is another tip to give extra support to your financial documents. Make sure to have a credit card of your sponsor. Photographs. Proof of your paid tuition fee. You may be asked for a student card of your current university in your home country. Residential address. Now, this is unlike other countries. For a Poland study visa, you need to have a confirmed resident proof where you will be staying. It could be a hotel, hostel room, or your university accommodation. They usually ask for a 1-year residence contract, but if all of your documents are fair enough and genuine, even 3 months residence contract would be fine. Receipt of paid visa fee. After completing your visa file, all you need to do is book an appointment with the Polish embassy in your home country and submit all the documents. Then wait for an interview call. Before you appear in the interview, make sure to learn about university, your program, the city you are going to, your residence, your plan after completing your education, and overall information about Poland. As I said in start of the video, if you follow these instructions 100%, I guarantee you a 100% visa right after your interview. In some cases, students get their visas within 15 minutes. Before I conclude the video, many of you may be wondering how long does it take to get your visa? Well, from the day when you apply for admission till you get your visa, the whole process can take up to 3 to 4 months. So once you get your acceptance letter from university, make sure to apply for a visa immediately. Here you have it, guys. The full and complete package of information on Poland study visa process. If you want to learn about the admission process in the cheapest university of Poland, please check the link of another video in the description. Till then, take good care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.